Am I live yet? Am I live yet? I don't know if I'm live yet. Should I be live? I should be live. I'm broadcasting. I'm sending data to YouTube. YouTube, interpret these bits. Interpret these bits. Nerd. Is it working? I don't know if it's working yet. Is it working yet? Is it working yet? Holy shit, is it working yet? I think it's working. But, I mean, like, it isn't loading. It's just saying, waiting on me. But, I started it. I started it, YouTube. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, YouTube? What's wrong with you, YouTube? Okay, there we are. Okay, it's cool. We're live. Hell yeah. Yeah. So TLDR for the stream is just going to be dicking around with my website, redesigning a bit, because, I don't know, I just haven't been very happy with the design, like, at all. And I want to fix that. Anyways, as, like, a side micro rant to, like, slam into conversation is, like, I've been really hating on, like, Western bro step-esque stuff lately. Not because, like, I, like, hate that genre. In fact, I really like it, but so much of it has just become so fucking repetitive lately. And, like, it doesn't really feel like the, like, you know, industry around it has been, like, pushed any further by, like, big people are indies. It just feels like, oh, I want to make another banger. And they just slam into, like, the most generic fucking, like, you know, quote-unquote dubstep or bro step or whatever step they want to. And it's like, damn, that kind of sucks. And, like, I've recently found, like, this, like, website. Shoot, let me find it because I was really cool. It was... I just sent it in the server a hot minute ago. There we are. So I'm going to mute this tab because it has a lot of, like, copyrighted music, so I don't want to, like, you know, broadcast it aloud, right? But, so this website right here, let me mute you. Okay, there we are, muted. There we are. Yeah, so this is a very cool thing. It's a little bit intense, but, you know, you can, like, do this. It's also very loud, so be sure to, like, mute, like, or turn on your device or whatever. But I have a lot of cool things like this, where, like, you know, the whole website is kind of like a showcase of, like, different, like, musicians based on, like, the record label or whatever. But anyways, yeah. It's like a super cool showcase of, like, stuff. And I was just like, man, maybe I'm not in a music mood lately or something. And it's like, no. I'm actually super in a musical mood. It's just that, like, most of, like, Western electronic has just been so, like, repetitive that it's just like, huh. Also, hey, Moonlight, how's it going? How you doing? How's things rocking with you? With me, they're doing all right, so that's pretty all right. Just going on a rant about the state of, like, the music industry, I suppose, before I get all started with the heckin' stuff. Yeah, doing all right. Thanks for asking. Yeah, it's just one of those, you know, wonderful, fun things where I'm just sitting here and I'm just like, oh my god, what is all this crap? So yeah, I'm gonna be redesigning the website and then going from there. Because holy crap, it's not that I have anything against the current iteration of it, but, like, you know what, it could be better, right? So, like, let's make it better. So, I want to rethink a lot of stylings, and I want the website to be a little bit more generic as a body, so I can fit more, like, unique content within it that's not, like, clashing as much, right? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rework a lot of stuff. Don't I have a test page in here? Like, if I go to, like, styles.tests, yeah, tests, and I have styles proper. So, instead of going here, I'm going to go, whoops, let's try that again. So we're going to go to here, we're going to go to test, whoops, test /styles, styles underscore proper dot html. Let's see how that goes. What did I type wrong? PROPER STYLE. Maybe it doesn't want the HTML for some reason. Nope. I don't know what I did wrong. Let's see. Styles proper, yeah, okay. Whatever, let's try improper, I suppose. Improper. Nope, not found either. Why is it not found? Do I not have the terminal set up? Oh, nope, I see. Let's see, let's kill that one. Whoops. Boop. There we are. Nope, okay, so it's live. But so why isn't it taking me to here? Because I want to redesign everything using my base. So it should be / test. Oh, because I did test instead of test. Oops. And I probably want... it probably wants the, whatever you call it, the .html. There we are, look at that. So let's fix all this. So, I want to make this website a lot more flashy, a lot more fancy, because TLDR is in the near future. I'm hoping to be able to sell stuff, and with me wanting to sell stuff, I want the stuff that I'm selling to actually inspire confidence. Nothing crazy, but, you know, like some fun little stuff, right? So, the first thing I want to do is I want to make it so that every header has a fancy little doober to it. So I want to go, the original is going to have an H1, and then what I actually want to do as well is I want to go tab new, and then I want to go into the style, please and thank you. And then the style, I want to look for, no, I don't want to look for heading, I want to look for H1. So I want no background color. Isn't there a background color to all these? Yeah, I don't want any background color anymore. Let's see. I need to probably turn off caching, because that will do things. Okay, it's still wanting to cache for some reason. Did I forget to delete background color? Nope, it should be groovy. Okay, I don't know why it is still being weird, so that's something I don't like. So, what the hell's going on with you? Where the hell are you getting your style from? Yeah, background color. No, you see, you're definitely not that. Are you gonna work? No, why are you still not working? Yeah, from global 436. Where's 436? Oh, I see, because I have the odd rule set. I see. And then let's reload that. Yeah, there we are. So I kind of like this, though what I also want to do is I also want to change the font weight of it. So, where the hell is the font's weight? Okay, let's make sure the header one is bold, and then after that we're going to change the font weight of everything else. So, font dash, weight, I believe default is 300, so I want to set it to like 100, to like mix it up and just see what a header 2 looks like. Whoops, accidentally opened a new tab. Oops, I always hit the hotkeys. Oops. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot more. So let's fix that. Let's go yank, we'll go paste, whoops, I said paste, we'll paste here, I wonder if I can go thinner. I hope I can go thinner, because I'd like to do like 100, then I'd like to do like 90, then I'd like to do something like 80, then I'd like to do probably 70 here. Actually, let's do 75 and then 70. 75, and then 70. I'm guessing it's going to bottom out 100, but here's to hoping. Let's see how that goes. No, it actually works pretty well, though. I like this because the heading 1 is pretty bold. You know what? I'm actually going to keep heading 2 bold as well, because... Actually, do I? Nah, I'm gonna mix it up, but I also want to look at some web save fonts. Fonts, because I want to make sure I'm using a font that works all right. So let's see. I want one that looks kind of, you know, like terminal-esque for some of these, because I want the terminal-esque bit to be fun. Yeah, so I want, I think, so for context, I want the 3rd through 6th heading to be static, because basically what's going on is how do I put it? The headings I want to be separated more. I feel like the homogeny of the text is too generic, so I want to be like mixed up a bit more. Yeah, I think having a pattern like this, where it goes like dink, 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 and then it resets, I think would be actually good. So let's do that. So let's yank you. Maybe I should try 200 for the H2. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that looks. Is H2 good? Oh, H2 looks good. Okay, yeah, so we'll go 2, 0. Then for H4, we'll reset back to 300. We'll lower U down back to 100. Then we'll go 300. Then we'll go, 200. Then once again, 100. Like so. And then again, we'll have the third iteration, I think, be actually, no, let's make all these Courier, I think, because I'm going to make the normal paragraph text my font. Can't say I'm fond of it. Also, hey, Volbyte stream right now, correct. We're having we're having fun. It's CSS, fuck, yep, as it goes. Yeah, TLDR is I'm redesigning a chunk of the website, mainly just because. So what's gonna happen is in the near future I'm gonna actually sell stickers. So let me find an example in IRL images. So recently-ish, I've made an investment into a vinyl printer. This is a very bad photo. I'll take better photos for this. But if I copy this and I paste this over here, the boink. So here's a vinyl test on of a shirt that I did using my little doober. And so the long story short with this is that this little part that you see right here is me fucking up the vinyl. This is a test. This is like invocative of final product. But I've been using this shirt for a month while wearing a hoodie, doing a very physical job, being all sweaty and whatever, right? Basically TLDR. Oh yeah, and it's in direct sunlight too. And I've worn this shirt in like pouring rain. I've used it in like like nice conditions. And the good thing is, which is giving me some confidence, is and in the machine wash too, I'm like hot wash, like hot dry, like don't even care about the colors, throw it in with everything, right? And thankfully, the vinyl is actually holding up really well. Like I would say better than I've seen like some stores, like big box stores sell. So I've after a month of testing the vinyl, I've actually become like confident with like my ability to make shirts and shit, right? And I have a certificate in web and graphic design. Oh, cool. So it's pretty durable. Yeah, exactly. And so I also have a certificate in web and graphic design. So like I'm orientated towards like this shit. Like, this may be surprising, but like every thumbnail I've done, the little tuber right here that you see, and a bunch of other stuff, I'm very DIY, right? So in regards to all of that, basically, I want to start doing that because I consider designing stuff fun, right? And then, of course, to be like transparent, it is an alternative source of revenue, but at this current moment in time, I am suffering when it comes to finances, so hey. But yeah, so the intent right now is basically I'm gonna basically redesign the website a bit. I want to make sure that this account section actually functions, and I'm gonna insert a little shop option right here. And then, long story short, is right now I'm just gonna offer stickers. So here's a fun little thing. Is that you can get global stamps, right? Global stamps, I think, are like $1.75 each. I think. I don't want like limited edition stamps. I just want like filters, sort low to high. Format, coils, whatever. I don't care. Let's see. Global mail stamp, I think is what it is what I'm looking for. First class international mail. It's like $1 to $2. I think it's like $1.50. Anyways, whatever. So my intention is, which I think would be neat, would be basically just mail order stickers, right? So like, hey, buy a sticker, slap a sticker on it, toss in some envelopes, and then ship her out, right? And then, because it's high quality vinyl, it should be all good. I'm also gonna send them with transfer paper. So transfer paper, if you're unaware, I'll just show you this real quickly because it's neat. This is for anybody else too, right? But so transfer paper, this is a bad example. Vinyl. So transfer paper is basically a clear sort of thing where, have you ever hated taking a sticker off because it's all loose and floppy and you kind of just have to throw it on and hope it works, right? So transfer paper is effectively a clear layer that goes over top of the sticker. So like you, the, you know, consumer of the sticker, can like, you know, see where it's going to go and line up and shit, right? And yeah, so basically today I just got some what do you call it, transfer paper. So basically the idea is every sticker will come with transfer paper and it'll be all nice and fancy for all y'all. And they're also removable, like they're semi-permanent. So like they'll last a while, but if you want to remove it, it removes like cleanly without like much residue or anything like that, right? I don't want to say no residue yet because I haven't like torn off a significant amount of them, so like I can't say with assuredness that it's like no stick, but it's like it's very low stick. Very low stick. So that's pretty epic. And yeah. So here's to hoping. Let's see. Actually, what I think I want to do is I think for heading 1 and 2, I want color to be frickin'... What are the options again for color? I should just go boink. Yeah. So the colors are primary, secondary, whatever. Yes, I think. Secondary. I'm gonna change secondary from purple to something else. I'm gonna go CMY. So then we'll go cyan. Will be 00FF. No, yeah, no, it'd be FFFF. Yeah. There we are. Because I can do that. Yeah, screw it. We'll go harsh. There we are. Yeah, so I got that. Error will make red, so we'll go FF000. Error color secondary, we'll go for like a... Do I want to go for green? No, I don't want to go for green. I'll just go for red again. So we'll go FFFF00. And then there's some gradient settings. You have arrived? Heck yeah. How you doing, Ventura? How's it going? You doing well? I hope you're doing well. So let's see. So I want to just find the H1 again. There we are. So I want color to be let's see. I'm gonna go var. Let's see. Var dash color underscore font. Let's refresh that. See what we're dealing with. Oh, because I do underscore primary, I think is what I'm looking for. Really? Go to definition? Nope. Okay. Go to definition. Color font primary. Yeah. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Can't say I'm fond of that, but okay. And caching is disabled, right? Yeah. Okay, it is. Thing is good. That's good. Hope you're doing well. Oh, that is breaking things. Why did you break? What? Hold on. What the fuck happened? Alright, so you're the last thing that I intentionally changed. Whoops. Okay. Let's see. That's vol break. Yeah, very much so. I have no idea what the fuck happened. Why did that just completely break everything, and why isn't this working? Oh, because it's... No, because then I want background color to be a variant, which is going to be double dash color underscore primary. Unknown property. Oh, because there's no U there. I see. I'm a silly goober. Fucking, I keep hitting that for some reason. Okay, why are you fucking... What's H1 being, like, linked with? That, I see. Let's see. So, really, there's another one here. Okay, yeah. That? There we go. Awesome. Okay, so... I'm not sure I like that. Yeah, no, I don't like that. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna get rid of the background color, and then I'm just gonna go say you can just be color underscore primary instead of font. There we are. Awesome. And then, let's yank you, we'll paste, I should paste that up here. Let me actually do that twice. There we are, there we are, there we are, there we are, there we are. Let's refresh you, better. Now what I want to do is I want to change a little bit of that, so we'll go primary, secondary, awesome, then we'll go tertiary, is that how you spell that? I forget how you spell tertiary. Nope, spelled tertiary wrong. Tertiary. There's no extra T there. Tertiary, there we go. So we got primary, then we gotta go secondary. Secondary. And then we just gotta go, tertiary. Tertiary. Wait, how do I keep spelling this wrong? Tertiary. Airy. A-R-Y. Fucking fix this shit. There we are. Alright, better. So we got some colors there. I think I want the nav bar to be completely changed as well. So I'm gonna go nav bar. The nav bar, I think I'm gonna just make the background color just black, I think. And let the color do most of the work. Color... oh, no, background color. I just want that to be black, like that. Save view. Awesome. Yeah, I like that. Because I really want to simplify all of this just so it looks cleaner, right? Like I really hate how cluttered it was before. So let's get that underway. So then now I want to make it so that any paragraph text is going to be cleaned. So let's do font dash family is going to be Courier, because Courier is the most readable font for people with dyslexia, like moi. So let's get that shit going. Whoops, let's just quickly save that. Let's refresh that. Yep. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I kind of like that highlighting still. I think what I would want to see is I just want to see, the animation duration change. So I'll do animation dash duration is going to be, 1 second, because you're just a fancy filter effect. So now if we go back to, like, here. Oh, I need to change the easing, I think. Easing, sorry, was it? It's like timing something, right? No. Oh, animation dash timing underscore that timing. Excuse me. Oh my god, I'm so bad at typing right now. Timing dash function is going to be frickin' ease dash in dash out, because easing in and out works rather well. Let's refresh it. You're still not working, which is annoying. Does it maybe just want, you know, a number value in milliseconds? Is that what it wants? Okay, apparently not. So let's frickin' inspect you and see what's going on. Animation duration. What's the issue? Just invalid value? I'm guessing it's just invalid value. So let's just fix that then. So let's go in quotes. Will that be better? Nope. Maybe 1,000 milliseconds. 1,000 milliseconds. Vol break OWO. What's the OWO about? What? what's the OWO for? What happened? Invalid property value. Yeah, I forgot to set an animation timing value thing. Whatever. Can I have to set to like 1,000? Okay, what the hell? Frickin' Command F and animation. Phrase not found. Okay, whatever. Animation dash duration. Animation duration property. Thank you. Go away. I was doing it correctly. What? Yeah, I want you to be 1 second. Like that. Deal with it. Maybe I just mark it as important for some reason. Important. Okay, is that gonna work now? No. Because of course it isn't. So what the hell is happening with you? Alright, well, let's just make sure that that's actually where that's coming from. Okay, so there's no... Yeah, okay, so there's no function anymore, so what the hell? Does it want to be sent to here? Because silliness? Nope, CSS just hates me. Because, like, what the hell? Oh, transition duration. Maybe that's what I'm looking for? Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Let's see. So I'm looking for not you. I want transition duration. Transition duration. And then I want transition timing property. Transition dash timing dash function. There we go. Reload. Hey, look at that. So I'm gonna go like that, like that. Yeah, I like that too because it's a lot less aggravating. Ventura with the ooh oh oh. Yeah, I know it's a very thrilling section, but hey, here we are. So let's see. Okay, is there a CSS property for off-screen? CSS property for off-screen. Let's see, display property. No, I get that. Is there a, like, is off-screen? Yeah, I get that, but is there not going to be a thing which is like, is content visibility? Ooh. Let's see, CSS content dash visibility. Let's see, content's visibility, visible, hidden, visible, center div, hidden. I don't think that's what I want, is it? Controls whether or not an element renders as content at all. No, that's not what I want. Let's see. I really just want to do a nice effect, which is like CSS fade in when visible. 'Cause that should be a thing, right? Okay, yeah, they're doing jQuery shit, yeah. Do I really have to ask an LLM for this? Because I really don't want to have to if I don't have to, but let's see. Is there a CSS required? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not what I want to do. I literally just want to do a fade from black to white. That's really annoying. So, let's see. Alright, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go here. I'm going to ignore this for now, because that's going to be a whole other thing that I'll want to do. Which I'm going to do as a sub thing, because that's going to be boring. Let's see. There's going to be header marquee. And then this is going to be the end of the header marquee here. Why did that happen? To header marquee. The crying smile face has been invented. I mean, I don't think that's supposed to be a smile. I think that's just supposed to be like a sad, you know, little fur ball. But hey, whatever. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder, I guess. So we'll do that. We'll do this. We'll go into here. We'll say, let p. I'm gonna go peas is equal to document dot get elements, fucking typo, elements by tag name. The element that I'm looking for is a p. Let's see, then this should be a simple if or bottom top. Let's see, for let I is equal to 0 while I is less than ps dot length. Then what I want to do is I want to do increment, and then for each layer I just simply want to go, hey, let us frickin' slam into this. So for each one I want to do let's do a let p, because this will save memory. P is going to be equal to ps of index I, because I'll be an element. After each element, all that I want to do is a p dot add event listener. Okay, I want to see the type of event listeners there are. Event listeners JavaScript. What type of event listeners do we have? I just want to see the list of parameters. Just show me the parameters, please. I want to know what I can play with. What are the options? What are the options? Event listener, events, JS, please. I already clicked on this one. Did I miss it? I don't think so. Will my LSP come in clutch and I can just, start typing and it'll be like, oh, hey, look at this. Okay, let's see. Cut, blur, copy, drag, drop, load, play. I want, like, on visible. Let's see. Resize, scroll. Okay, so do you have a scroll? Is there, like, a visible? Mouse down, mouse over, pointer up, scroll end. Pointer. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to do scroll, I guess. So, whoops. Can you go away? So there's gonna be a scroll event. So on a scroll, what I want to do is I just want to create I want to pass in a closure, which will say, hey. So on event, I want to see if p dot actually, sorry, I'm just gonna say let h is gonna be equal to I'm just trying to think if I want to do this. So h would be equal to the element's height. So I'm just gonna say lm h. Actually, I'm gonna do. I don't really want to make a class for this. LMH. Do I? No, I don't think so. I'll just do this. I'll just do this. So I want to do. How do I want to do it? I want to do if. Let's see. P dot. Fuck. What is it going to be? So P is an HTML element. It's going to be. Fuck. What is it? It's like HTML inner, or sorry, containing rec or something. Containing rect. It's something like that. I forget the exact thing. Canvas rect. No, it's like. Freaking JavaScript get bounding rect. That's what it is. I forget the syntax. Get bounding rect dot x, or sorry, I should say y, because I don't really care about the y or the x at all. So if that is why do I feel like that's wrong? Get bounding rect. That feels very wrong to me, because I need to get like the top and the bottom of it. Yeah. So what I want to do basically is get bounding client rect. I knew something sounded wrong about that too. I was just like client rect is going to be that. So if that, whoops, excuse you. So I want to do this, and then I also want to add down here an or condition. Let's see. Or p dot get bounding client rect dot y. No, it wouldn't be y. It'd be like, yeah, it'd be like top. Yeah. So if I want to see, so I want top and bottom. So let's see. Frick. Dot top and then dot bottom. And then I want an else here because I need to do something with that else, which is gonna be fun. So for the very top, I'm just gonna say frickin' what would it be? Oh, you know what I could do is I could do just if bottom is greater than 0, I think. If bottom is greater than 0, let's see, so it's gonna be a test for off screen, and then this is gonna be on screen, boink. Oh, I see what I did wrong there, never mind. Hey, Sapphire, how's it going? How you doing? Been doing well, been having fun, been having a groovy time. Let's see, I'm just trying to think. Window dot, I think it's window dot height is what I'm looking for. Is that what I'm looking for? Is that what I'm looking for? Window dot, height? No, window dot, screen dot height? Yeah, window dot screen dot height. So window dot screen dot height. I don't know if that's exactly what I'm looking for, but there we are. I see Ventura's back with the robot dude. I got completely butchered by the stream chat. I'm doing okay, Sapphire. Thank you. I'm planning to sell Sicker soon. Long story short, so to make the website seem a little bit more reputable, I'm trying to do a bit of redesigning to make it a little bit more appealing to people. Because I want to look nice, you know. I don't want it to look like crap. So why have it look like crap? Having it look like crap makes no sense. So I'm just currently trying to get the thing to look all pretty, and yeah, that is the hope. Let's see, because I'm digging most of this right now. I just want to fix this. Let's see. So it's the HTML type 5 test page. So the block quotes I'm okay with. I had this little fadey transition thing that looks nice, hopefully. List, definition list, there's a definition list division. Yeah, it's okay. I don't like the scattering here. I don't know why the first item always seems to have a thing visible to it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should finish the padding thing first. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna say p dot what is it? Class list dot remove, and I want to say, okay, so I want to move the class name of visible. Whoops, let's fix that. There we are. And then I want to yank, and I want to go classless dot add, and then visible. Declaration that's experimenting expected. Because it's right here, actually I had a semicolon. Whoopsies. Okay, so let's see. So now if I scroll off, okay, I want to real quickly track this. Because if I click on this, I want to see the frickin' classes come and go. Okay. What's the event doing now? Because right now... Okay, whatever. You know what I need to do is I also need to add the thing. So let's go to... dot viz. No dot viz? Okay. That's fine. So element op... QRSTUV TU and then v, oh, there's no V. So okay, so we'll do dot vis able. Is it vis able or is it vis able? I was mixing the two. Viz I think it's able, isn't it? Yeah, vis able. Alright, vis able. Vis able. Vis able. Visible. And yeah, so I want to do, let's see, I want to do, let's see, I'll do color is going to be, actually, I should make this under P. I should do P dot visible. Because that's the entire thing. So let's go back to the paragraph block, and then we'll go, no, there it is. Then we'll go, whoops, and we'll paste you. And then I'm gonna go say, so I'm gonna make it so that when it's not visible, it's just gonna be a dimmed color, right? Because if in case JavaScript can't load, I don't want the site to be impossible to use, right? So I'm gonna do color dot color is gonna be percentage FFF. There we are. And then other, I want it to be let's see, I'm gonna go for color is gonna be, say, just like 555, or I should do pound 555. There we are. So let's see. Yeah, so this, as you can see, this is still readable, right? Which is close to what I want, but not what I want. What are the error builders for an unloadable file? That's a frickin' extension. Okay, let's see. So here's all this. Okay, so that clearly isn't working. No, I meant off-screen. Thank you, linter thing. You think I might head out because you need to sleep, but I hope you have a good stream, and goodbye, yo. Same to you, Sapphire. Well, not streamed all that, but, you know, like, I hope you have a good sleep. So, hey, have fun. Have a good time. Much bigger, more exciting stream tomorrow. So, hey, if you're interested, feel free to look out for that. If not, then hey, no worries. And, yeah, I don't know. It's fun times, you know? Fun times ahead. I'm gonna pour myself some Wawa now, because Wawa time is fun. Need that hydration to function. One of the drawbacks of being alive is you require sustenance. Sustenance to exist. God, I sound like that one kid from, like, Clarence. I forget their name, but it's like seen in passing, like, once or twice when I was younger. I was, like, just out of the age demographic for it, but, you know, it's just like, I want Cheetos. Oh, what was her name, and like what was something? I got like some weird voices now that I think about it. I should definitely do like a VA reel at some point, because there's definitely, like, you know, there's like that. There's like, I want to suck your toes. It's meat right. I want to feel all your beautiful lamps. lots of little things like that, right? So, you know, might be fun. Let's see. Got me some of that fizzy wawa. The fizzy water. Okay. So let's see. So let's see. I'm gonna do a console.log. I'm just gonna say, let's see. Element is now visible, and then I'm going to say down here, element not visible, and I should see a bunch of these as I scroll. Element not visible. I'm going to remove that later, because I'll be way too many console logs for, like, later, but, like, yeah. Oh, yeah, so this just isn't functioning in general. So let's see. Let's do this, I guess. So we'll go up here, we'll go bang, we'll do console.log. Whoa, I did not want to do that. I don't know how I did that, actually. Let's see, adding scroll listener to all P elements. Whoops. So I should see a bunch of these pop up. Okay, so I see footer. I'm not seeing it. That is very weird. You, for one, do not need sleep. Hard doubt, but fair enough. See, I'm gonna do console .log PS, because I want to see what gets outputted. Let's just do this. PS is gonna be just this, which is gonna be adding that. Let's reload you. So PS is gonna be like right at the start, right? Trying to load navbar loaded, PS, object HTML collection. Okay, so it is working. Oh, adding scroll. Okay, there it is. It's suddenly working. So, are you printing new elements? No, you're not. Okay, so, is it not working? Like, for some reason, like, add event, listener, scroll. The scroll event. Yeah, just scroll. I didn't type it wrong. I'm passing the thing properly. Okay, that's very weird. You slept for 2 hours once, and slept for like 25 minutes one time. That sounds horrible, I'm sorry. Unless those were naps, then those were very good naps. But yeah, those sound very rough. Let's see, so where the heck? So I don't see why this isn't working. Add event listener. Is there any error after the event listener? Like immediately after? No. Adding scroll listener. Resources blocked by opaque response blocking. Check the browser console for details. Excuse you. I don't know what the fuck you are. Let's see. I'm gonna do a Firefox disable all extensions. Yeah, I guess that's the obvious way to do it. Let's just do it that way. Extensions. Can I just like disable all? Is there no just disable all? That's easy. You go to the more options, 3 dots, and close disable all extension. Yeah. There's no 3 dots here. Butter. Gotta love it when the things hallucinate. Check for updates. Updates automatically. Yeah, there's none of that. So I guess we're just gonna go boink, 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 boink. I said boink. Okay, not what I want to do. Boink, 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 boink. Hey, MetaMask, that thing I've never used. I think I've literally set it up and then, like, that was it. Fuck off. Thank you. No, no, and no. There we are. Awesome. So let's reload you, because I want to cut down on the console errors. Okay. Wow, it went from 12 to 10. For standard modes, use bang doctype HTML. What? I don't have doctype HTML in this thing? What? Hold on, that's a weird thing. Hold on. Oh, because it wants the frickin' bang doctype. Doctype HTML. No, you definitely have that HTML. Excuse me? Excuse me? Okay, that's cool, I guess. I don't know. I quite literally have that, Firefox, so I'm not really sure what you're excited about. Okay, you know what, sure, we're gonna just not worry about that now. Okay, so I'm just going back to here. I'm just gonna say, on scroll, I want us to do a console.log, and then I'm just gonna say, scrolling! Actually, like, an absolute fuck ton of these. Oh god, we're the same, talking to things as if they were actual human, living, talking stuff. I mean, it's the joy of personification, isn't it? Oh, it isn't detecting any scroll event. Why are you not detecting any scroll event? What? Okay, I'm throwing this into an LLM. Let's do, let's see, deep, seek. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Oh, my fucking eyes! Translate. I just want to do the chat thing. Sure, sign me in, launch, go, boom. Let's see. What's wrong with this? Because I actually don't see it, obviously. Untypical scrollable unless a specific element like, oh, I see. I see. I'm doing the wrong thing. I don't want to do it on the P element. I want to do it on the frickin' document. So I just want to do frickin' okay, so let's get rid of you. Okay, so I'm gonna change this up slightly. I'm gonna go let's see. I'm gonna go not document. It's gonna be document dot body, like that. I'm just gonna say let be. Actually, I'm gonna say const c because const c makes way more sense, doesn't it? Oh my god, const. Okay, so const c body. I'm gonna do body dot add event listener, and I'm gonna do all this, and then I'm gonna say let I. Oh no, shit, I need to go for. Let I is equal to 0 while I is less than document dot get elements by tag name, and I'm looking for the P's by tag name P dot length. I just want to say I fucking love boomer loops, man. Like, they're so just simple, because like the amount of like iteration shit that I see that tries to get fancy with like trying to do like weird stuff, like, oh, like for each, but if you do 2 dots it's like inclusive, what is 3 dots it's exclusive. It's just like, dude, fuck off. That's just annoying. Okay, so I don't know if this will work, but maybe that will. I'm just gonna double check the is visible thing here logic. So it's doing rect equals get bounding client rect. So if the top is less than window.inner height. That makes sense, because I'm not very experienced with this. Window.inner height. Or if bottom is greater than 0. Okay, yeah, so I was right. I just accidentally mixed up one freaking thing. We're going to double check that you work, and then if you work, I'm going to add that to my freaking spelling thing. Because, like, of course... Okay, so does the body not have the event? Scroll... Okay, so it does have the event. It's registering it. Let's see. I guess I'll do just scrolling plus the event, because why not? Let's see. So what the hell are we doing here? Is it gonna work? Scroll. No. Okay. What did they suggest as a difference? Window.add event listener. Okay. Window.add event listener. We'll do that instead. We don't need you commented. Thank you. Let's try this then. Alright, so scrolling. P is not defined, that's fine. So let's see. So then, let's see. I'm gonna do elms. Don't do const. No, I'm gonna do let. I think I want it to be a function actually. Function. Let's see. Elms. I'm just gonna make it a capital E because it just makes it clearer. Elms is gonna be a frickin' document dot. Actually, I'll just make it a capital P. Capital P. Fuck it. Document dot get elements elements by ID or by name tag. Fucking spelling errors. Document dot get elements by tag name. We're gonna go for P, and then we are going to return that line, please and thank you. So we're gonna do capital P of the index of I. Actually, no, we're gonna really quickly here. I'm gonna say this, and then we're gonna go. How do I want to do this? I'm just trying to think. So, I guess I'll run each time. So I guess it doesn't matter too much, so I'll just say, let's see, let p, elms p is going to be equal to that. It's very similar to what I did before, but screw it. Hi, why thank you. So let's see, elms p is going to be equal to p dot p of I. That's what I want. There we are. Why is that unhappy? Whatever, you know what, screw it. Reload. So let's see, so none of you are visible. P is not defined. It certainly is. Notice I'm stupid. P is LM's P. I mixed those two up in my head. I don't know why I did. Let's do that. Let's refresh. Our assignment is to declare variable P. Let P, because if I redeclare that, that's going to consume way too much memory. Cattle P is not defined. Excuse me. I did actually redefine it there. That was me being stupid. That was me being absolutely silly. That was me being a grade A goofage, as one might say. Okay, so there we are. So let's see. Do you get the element applied or like unapplied? Show me. Okay, you're not getting the element applied. Did I go in the wrong when I applied a thing? No, classes.add, yeah. Classes.remove. Classes. Did I spell it wrong? No, it's a capital L. Okay, yeah, that seems accurate. Okay. Visible, 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 visible. Okay. Oh, it's always visible. Why is that always happening? Was I correct about this? No. Hold on. Because window.innerHeight is going to do something like return the frickin' like that.px, isn't it? That's what it's going to do, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, no, it just returns the number. Okay, and then if I do frickin' let's see, I'll just do frickin' document dot body dot get bounding client rect dot height. Yeah, okay. So that seems fine. Oh, I guess it should be top. Dot top. Oh, you know what I need to do actually is I probably need to do and no wait and no wait, this could be an or, because I'm just trying to see if the top is below the height or the bottom is above 0. That means that's not visible. Okay, what the hell? So what if I just go here and I just paste all that in because I'm clearly being stupid somehow. That looks like a lot less than I did. They're doing an and statement there. Does that work though? Okay. PS is not defined. Yeah, so let's see, PS, sorry, I'm gonna do let PS is equal to document dot get elements, elements, I thought I had a typo there, by tag name, and I'm looking for the P, like that, refresh. Elements dot for each is not a function. Yeah, it's almost like I prefer boomer loops, because I just freaking hate like freaking non-boomer loops. They always seem to go wrong. Let I is going to be equal to 0. Frick. Well, I is less than ps dot length. I just want to do frickin' plus plus I, please and thank you. Yep. Rect is declared, but the value is never read. Excuse you. No, it's very clearly being used like right there. I think I see the issues because this isn't being properly ran or whatever. So that's what I also deleted by accident right here. Is I deleted one of these things. There we are. Reference error P is not defined. Excuse me. Okay, I'll just do this. Let P. Oh frick! I gotta do it like this because if I don't, then it's gonna frickin' consume way too much memory. Okay, so let's see. Then let's go. P is gonna be equal to PS of index I. Do you not see what I said earlier? I saw the high. I saw the anthropomorphizing things. Did I miss something? If I missed something, I'm sorry. I did not mean to. Hey, look at that. It's now visible. Hey, there we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah, see, I like that because it just gives it a little bit of like a wee, you know? After the wall high? No, I did not, because YouTube likes to eat messages sometimes, which is very painful. I shit you not. So here's like my OBS thing, right? Just showing me the stuff. You will see, I quite literally see like, wah, hi, and then just, do you not see? That's literally all that happens. YouTube loves to eat messages sometimes. So if it's like, if YouTube thinks it's wrong in any way, it'll just consume it. Because like, why not? Yeah. It's very, very fun. Okay, let me pull back up OBS because I accidentally shut it. After the stream, while hi. Is there 2 Venturas now? Did you set up an alt? Is that what happened? You'll send to me through Discord? Okay, sure. Let's see. What? No, what? Oh, it's because one of your icons was selected, so it turned like purple bluish. Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, because your icon turned like a purple bluish, and I was like looking at it, I'm like, why is there like one of you that's like blue? Did you like, are you coordinating something? Excuse me. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so what I very quickly want to do is I just want to change the transition duration to be like 3 seconds. To be like 3 seconds, and then we'll get rid of this one, I think, as well. There we are. Alright, 3 seconds is a bit slow, and I also want the ease function to be a bit different. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like ease in, ease out. I think I want, ease in, maybe? No, ease out, maybe? No, that's a bit wrong. Oh, because you're still in 3 seconds. That's probably why. I want you to be like 2 seconds. Just because this is meant to be just kind of like help the page feel a little bit more alive, you know? Yeah. Wonk, wonk. Yeah, there we go. I like that like subtle fade and just like the breath it gives it, because the idea is like, you know, it should be like, okay, so like paragraph from the okay, yeah. And then I'm gonna disable the font hover, I think. Do I? Yeah, I do. But yeah, let's see. So we'll go like this. We'll go whoops. We'll get rid of you. Okay, going from the top. So I'm just gonna quickly remove anything. So there's that. Here's a little quick jumps. Okay, why does text there not have a thing? Whatever. Okay, so we got big old text. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, streaming. Let's see. Okay, Ventura I finally noticed Ventura's message. So it takes the whole YouTube. Sorry. It makes sense why you tweeted my message, because what I typed was, those who don't speak English, please jump off something. Yes, I'm talking to you, stupid baby on my flight. Yeah, I can see how YouTube ate that message. I think any form of anything remotely able to be considered self-harm, YouTube is just like, no, go fuck yourself. So that's very fun. Okay, so there's that now. So then what I want is I now want H1s and H2s to be a thing. Let H2s to be equal to... I'm just going to freaking yank and paste this because that'll just be easier. H2s. Alright, let's see. And then I'm going to go nuke that now, because we're going to finally get here and we're going to add some pizzazz. Some pizzazzery. You cast pizza delivery. I'm actually thinking of ordering a pizza myself. I'm probably going to order around like 8:30 and then probably stop the stream about 9 and then go walk and go get it. Let's see. So, now with that being said, let's freaking carry on, I suppose. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want the headers to do a thing. So I want, original, and I want let, duplicate, I'll say dupe, I guess. Yeah, so I want that, then I want that to be that. I want, dupe to be equal to, the original, because what I want to do is I want to do a left to right scroll thing, which I think would be fun. But then, so what I want to do is so I got the duplicates. I then want to go to, say, I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. So I basically want to duplicate the elements. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to do h1 dot append child. This child is going to be div, which will actually go down here because it's going to be at the very end. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go let div is going to be equal to document dot create element. Excuse me, I'm hitting backspace there. And the element is going to be a div, like so. So after create the element, then I'm going to say that. Then I'm going to say Ori is then going to be equal to, what is it? Document dot create element. I'm going to say a div. And how do I want to do the inner text for that? I'll just do Ori dot inner text is going to be equal to h1 dot inner text. Yeah, I think that is what I want to do. Yeah, h1 dot inner text. I don't know why you're erroring because you don't think you're a word. You're not a word either. So after we got that, then I just want to say duplicate is equal to the same thing. I want div.style to be equal to a, file.display to be equal to a flexbox. Or, no, it's just flex, isn't it? Because frickin' things are fun. Flex everywhere. Yeah, so then I want to do that. Oh, wait, no, then I got to do div.append child. And then what I want to do is I want to append Ori. And I also want to append the dupe. Yeah. There we go. So I want the flex direction here to be row. Div.flex direction. Oh, no, I need it to be style dot flex direction dot style dot flex direction to be equal to row. I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe this column. Maybe I'm mixing myself up. Whoops. Column. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's do div dot style dot width is going to be equal to min dash content. Let's try that again, and then let's change you back to row. I could have sworn it was a row that I want. Maybe it's like, maybe flex direction is wrong. Did I do flex direction wrong? Let's do, whoops, let's do, that. And then let's do, whoops, excuse you, flex direction. Maybe I did a typo. Okay, let's do, ori.style is going to be equal to, sorry, style dot, display. This display is going to be equal to, inline block, block, or inline dash block, I believe, because naming conventions are cool. You're definitely a terminated string. You can shut up. Let's inspect. So you're unhappy for some reason. So what's wrong with you? So hold on. So one div. Oh, I think I see. So hold on. Okay, so after I do all this, I think I want to do h1 dot, or sorry, h1 dot inner HTML is equal to that. Let's clear that double colon because that's just not satisfying. There we are, beautiful. Okay, so we got that one working. So dupe is going to be equal to RE. I don't know why RE isn't being cloned. That's very odd. Unless there's another one down here. No. Okay, that's very odd. Is it because dupe is a reference to RE or whatever, so it's not, like, happy about it? I feel like that's the thing. I feel like that's what's happening. Let's see. What's going on with you? So the H1 is just very much just being annoying. Because it hasn't, like, the flexbox is working, but the thing is not respecting. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go Ori. I'm gonna do Ori dot class name dot add. Is it class name dot add? Oh no, it's class list. Classes dot add, and I'm just gonna say Ori, and then dupe. I'm just gonna say. Actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do down here. I'm gonna go paste here. Then I'm gonna go like, hey. Dupe, you're gonna gain the class list dot add of frickin' dupe. Because for some reason it seems like duplicate isn't being pasted at all. Oh. They're being merged? That seems very odd. Okay, create a container, let's see, create elms, separate for testing, this is gonna be, oh, well, pen's fucking obvious, I don't need that. So, why is that so odd? Because div should have two elements. Right? Div dot... let's do console dot log, and then I'll just do div dot... No, I don't want parse. I want JSON dot stringify, and I just want to do div. Whoops, like, oh my god. Come on, there we are. So where the heck is that? Just nothing, I see. That is so weird. Maybe I can just print div straight up. Like if I just do something like this, and I go like div. Oops, I need to do a plus. There we are. Okay, so where the heck is a div? Yeah, just as this div element. That's so strange. Yep. That is... Why is it doing that? Because these shouldn't be doing the same thing. You know what I'll do is I'll do frickin' duplicate is equal to re dot inner ختمه. Does that fix it? Nope, that just full on breaks it. Okay. So I gotta do document dot create element, and I just want to say dupe dot inner HTML is equal to ori dot inner HTML, because I guess I don't really know what else that'd be. Add dupe to class list is undefined. Excuse you. Oh, because I forgot to specify that's a div. Oh my god, I'm so off the ball right now. Holy crap. Yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted right there. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, let's see. And I want style dot width to be min content. Width to be let's see, min dash content. Because that should match the style now, right? Why is heading 1 wrapping? Min content. That's a valid thing, right? Okay, what if I do auto? Nope, that's still wrapping. Max content, min content, revert layer stretch. None of these are doing anything for me. That's cool. Oh, what if I just do like word wrap none? Let's see. Ori dot style dot word. No, not word. I'm just thinking wrap. Text wrap is equal to hit an equal there. Excuse me. Keyboard is equal to none. And let's try to reload that. Excuse you? I saved you, didn't I? Yeah, why are you not having a text wrap none? Excuse you? Text dash wrap no wrap. That's why, probably. Yeah. Text wrap is going to be not none, it's going to be no wrap. There we are. Okay. And then, so now dupe is going to be that. Dupe dot style is going to be equal to ori dot style. And if we save that, you're going to be a pain, aren't you? Okay, so what if I do frickin' let's see, document dot get elements by class name. The class name I'm going for is Ori. I'll just get the first one. Oh, not I. The first one. That's not the first one, but whatever. I need to make sure you're in quotes because if not, they're gonna be unhappy. Yeah, okay. So you're happy, but you're not happy. Okay. Okay, what if I just change you to inner text? Inner text. And then maybe the style will copy over? I just did test. I want... Oh my god. Inner text. Okay. Alright, heading one works, but the other one isn't, so fuck. Why not? Dupe.style, dupe.text, equal to ori.style. Do I have to do like a JSON.stringify? Stringify ori.style. Is that gonna work, maybe? No, because of course it won't. Excuse you. Well, I don't know what the hell's happening, so, screw it. Why aren't these, elements... sorry, I'll just say why isn't this working? Why isn't this working? Oh, I gotta call it 1 second. Apologies for the phone call. Apparently it's gonna be raining in about an hour, so here's what I'm gonna do, I think. I really want to work on this. Oh, I see. I gotta go is equal to ori, dot, no, so I gotta go, window dot, get computed, style of ori. Will that work? What? That seems so obtuse. No, I don't want to do... Oh, style.css text. That seems so much better. Style, .css, text. Yeah, that seems way better. Is equal to, ori.style.css text. Alright, does that work? Because if that works, that's awesome. Yeah! Okay, awesome. Volv, you think I muted? Yeah, no, I had a phone call. It's all good. As I said though, I gotta run because apparently it's gonna be raining an hour. I wanted to stream longer. But I mean, hey, tomorrow is going to be a really big fucking stream, and I have a lot of things to do tomorrow, unfortunately, because I might have a blown engine seal or something. That's why I'm doing this, because, boy howdy, I really need the support in a minute, so we'll have to see. But anyways, you get the idea. So, let me very quickly just adjust the H1's frickin' thing for that. So let's see, let's go to H1... where's that height coming from? Where's that height coming from? Font size color. Where's that height coming from? Like, I'm looking for, like, padding bottom, margin bottom, anything like that. Nope, none? Okay, cool. Well, let's just do something anyways. Let's do this. For all of the H's, we'll just do, margin okay, is it because of those? Because that seems like a very aggressive amount of padding, honestly, not gonna lie. Yeah, why are you so big? Why are you so big? Oh, because the divs have the thing. I see, I see, I see. So then I'll go here. I'll go into the client management thing. I will say, let's see, ori dot style dot padding. Padding is going to be equal to 0. And then we'll just do the exact same thing for margin. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's see. Did that fix it? You still seem very aggressive. Why are you so aggressive? Oh, because I see the overarching div has it as well. So we'll just do yoink. We will paste. And then instead we will go like this. We'll go shift A, bop, bop, bop. Then we'll go div. Okay, that didn't work for some reason. Whoops. There we are. Reload one more time. There we are. That's a more comfortable height. So now I plan to do things with this. The last thing I want to do is I want to do just ori dot style dot padding right. Whoops. Right is going to be equal to, let's say, 1M. Because that 1M should be good. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to pause here, and I'm going to work on this probably just off stream, because, you know, this is just a little hangout stream to say hi and stuff like that, because tomorrow I have a fucking huge stream planned, and then the day after that I have not a huge stream, but a small streams planned, and yeah. So anyways, hey, thanks for tuning in. Hope you had fun. Sorry for such a small stream. I do apologize, but tomorrow's going to be, like, legitimately, like, probably a 10-hour stream, 10 to 12-hour stream, so, like, Jesus fucking Christ. And yeah, hope you all had fun. Talk to you later. Bye, everybody.